Hey everyone! AI video tools can be amazing, giving you the ability to bring characters to life with ease. But sometimes you may run into a common issue. Your character looks perfect one moment, and then their face or outfit changes unexpectedly in the next scene. Well, Hailuo AI has solved this problem with its latest feature, character consistency. Now, you can generate AI videos where your characters stay identical across every scene, making storytelling more seamless and professional. Today, I'll show you exactly how this works, step by step. Let's dive in. Without hesitation, sit back, relax, and let's get started. First, go to the Hailuo AI dashboard. Click Create from the side menu to enter Create mode. Next, click the Subject Reference tab, then select Add Reference Character. A character selection box will pop up, allowing you to choose your character. Since I already have a character uploaded, you can either select an existing character or upload a new image from your PC by clicking Upload Character. Today, we'll select the uploaded character. Then, confirm your selection. After confirming, the reference character will be successfully added. Once selected, input your scene description into the prompt box. After you're done, click Generate to create the video. Let Hailuo AI work its magic. Let's take a look at the final result. Voila! It's amazing and I'm very satisfied with it. I'd like to repeat the process while keeping the same character, but changing the prompt to get a different scene. So let's go through it again. Upload the reference image of your character, input the new scene prompts, and then click Generate. Let Hailuo AI work its magic once more. Let's take a look at the final result. It's amazing and I'm very satisfied with it. With Hailuo AI's character consistency, AI videos are now more cohesive and professional than ever before. Whether you're creating animations, storytelling content, or branded videos, this feature is a game changer. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI video content. See you in the next one.